Travel friends brought together by the sheer majesty of an incredible superpower, dear.
Tap, hip-hop, ballet.
Ugh, it's American.
I've seen that happen before. When it reaches 0, you are gone.
You're gone forever.
I was talking.
Presto, donut. This hat, bon appetit, donut. Am I going too fast for you?
This is like a baby puzzle. I saw this when I was baby.
Goodbye!
Hi, 2 tickets on the wormhole judgment line.
Dracula!
I'll press play, and you're just gonna die.
Hey, guys!
No, you got me.
Yeah, now I'm floating away.
Alan Dracula!
Oh, Mingy, little help. I already helped with my advice.
1-1, how's that wall?
Well, it's more of a house instead of a wall.
Do you want me to start over? I'll just start over.
No, don't start over!
Let's see. Asphalt, gasoline, sulfur, other petroleum-based products.
The Lucky Cat is not obligated to return any valuables already surrendered at the debtor's prison booth.
When I started Team Randall 38 minutes ago, the mission statement was always be there for each other.
It's more complicated than that.
Is it? Oh, great job asking the hard questions, Randall. Oh, thanks, Randall. You may not always bring in the sales numbers I want, but you've got heart, and I feel like you care about me.
You can reach doorknobs. Let me open one of your mouths.
Dancing is scary.
Sorry.
Oh, that's right. Now I'm reassuring my kid, Kevin Jr., not to worry and telling him it'll be okay. Yeah, huh? Well, now they're breaking into my home and taking my novelty apron and second favorite hat.
If you didn't want to come here, you should have said so.
Oh, and I'm sure you wouldn't have complained about whatever choice I made.
Where would you have picked then?
The lake.
We're rocks, Martin. We can't swim.
I love it when you get angry.
Those robots and coding and juice boxes and...
Thanks, train. So glad an inanimate object likes me.
Thanks, AD. Ooh, still doing that, huh?
I declare bankruptcy!
Why did you flirt with the cat?
Kaz!
I'm a Kaz.
Hey, weirdo!
Huh?
I'm not a tree boy.
I'm an inventor, an engineer, a snappy dresser.
Randall, slipping the cracks, Randall.
Can you help me find my normal eyes?
It's fresh, never been used. It's called waiting where the sign says to wait. I don't.
Medium friends meet best friends.
Yet that greedy little piglet is thirsty for more.
Hey! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
We could be stranded up here for weeks. I'll split up the rations. I'll warn you, I'm gamey.
Spells? Spells!
Are you looking for your bagel mother too?
Maybe even a little more.
Dracula 2?
What the... Oh, did I just hallucinate a train station? Well, that's boring.